So one of the most highly anticipated national athletics trials is here. And strangely enough, it's more about who will not be at the trials, such as Elaine Thompson-Herah, and of course, the ones who are in the process of switching allegiance. But you know, instead of harping about who will not be coming to trials, and by extension, who will not be going to the World Championships, these trials should be more about which new stars will emerge, which young athletes will grab the opportunities, who will become the new Roger Stoner, who will fill the shoes of Rajendra Campbell, or follow in the footsteps of Jaden Hibbert and Wayne Pinnock, which young sprinter will rise and take the place of Elaine Thompson-Herah. That is what this year's national trials should be all about. The opportunities created by these vacancies, instead of dwelling on the negative of the vacancies. So let the trials begin.